Hello, doctors. I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. I will be demonstrating a chiropractic extremity technique for the wrist. I will be explaining and demonstrating a lunate adjustment going from posterior to anterior. Disclaimer: this is an instructional video for doctors of chiropractic and chiropractic students to learn proper chiropractic extremity adjusting technique. If you are not a doctor of chiropractic or a chiropractic student, please do not perform this technique. If you are a patient, please do not let anyone who is not a doctor of chiropractic or a chiropractic student perform this technique on you. The patient is seated or standing in good posture. I'm going to be demonstrating on the right arm, so we're going to ask the patient to keep the upper arm near their side, and we are going to have them pronate the forearm. They're going to take their opposite hand and put light pressure on the distal aspect of the upper arm. That is going to allow us to distract the wrist. The doctor is going to take a contact with the thumb pad on the posterior aspect of the lunate bone. You can place your opposite thumb right on top of that if you want to. We're going to distract the wrist, and then you are going to thrust going posterior to anterior. Now you may have to bring the wrist into a radial deviation or ulnar deviation or a very slight extension or flexion, whatever you find on your palpation findings. But once you get it into that proper position, you distract and thrust.